Hello everyone, today we'll be talking about circumference and arc length, and in this first video we're going to be talking about the circumference of a circle. So the circumference of a circle is the distance around the circle. You can kind of think about this as being the same thing as like if we're finding the perimeter of a rectangle. It's just that distance all around. And so we have two different formulas that we can use to find the circumference of a circle. The first is that C is equal to pi times d, or C is equal to 2 pi r, where d is the diameter and r is the radius of the circle. And so we get these two different ones because if you recall from an earlier lesson, the diameter is just equal to twice the length of the radius. So let's go ahead and practice using the formula for the circumference. So for each of these, we're going to find the indicated measure, and then we're actually going to give two different answers. We're going to first leave our answer in terms of pi, which is what we call an exact answer, and we're also going to go ahead and round it to the nearest hundredth. Okay, so for number one, it says the circumference of a circle with a radius of 9 centimeters. So I'm trying to find the circumference. I know the radius, which is r, is equal to 9 centimeters. So looking at my two different formulas, since I am given the radius, I want to go ahead and use the second one. So I know that C is equal to 2 pi r. Well, I am told that my radius is 9 centimeters, so I'm going to replace r with 9. 2 times 9, I get 18 pi. So this is my first answer. This is my exact answer, 18 pi. But now I'm going to go ahead and actually multiply 18 times pi and get a rounded answer. So if you have a calculator, you should have a pi button that will do that for you. Or if you do not, you can go to desmos.com/calculator, and there is a pi button here. And so I'll just type in 18 times the pi button, and I see rounding to the nearest hundredth, which is 2 decimal places, I get 56.55 centimeters. And so this is my rounded answer. Okay, let's go ahead and try another one. So this one says radius of a circle with a circumference of 26 meters. So this one I'm trying to find the radius. So I again want to use my formula C is equal to 2 pi r. This time I'm actually given the circumference. So I know that the circumference is 26 meters. So I want to replace C with 26. And then I'm going to go ahead and get r by itself. Right now there's a 2 pi with it, so to get rid of it, I need to divide both sides by 2 pi. And then I see that 26 divided by 2, I get 13. So I have 13 over pi is equal to r. And so that's going to be my exact answer, 13 divided by pi, or 13 over pi. Now I'm going to go ahead and type that into Desmos to get my rounded answer. So I have 13 divided by pi. And I see rounded to the nearest hundredth, that's going to be 4.14 meters. Okay, this last one, it has, I'm looking for the diameter, so it's the diameter of a circle with a circumference of 17 feet. So this time I'm actually going to use that top equation, which is that the circumference is equal to pi times the diameter. And so I know that the circumference is 17 feet, so I'm going to replace C with 17. And then to get d by itself, I need to divide both sides by pi. So I have that 17 over pi is equal to d. And so there's my exact answer. And then going back over into Desmos, I'm just going to replace this 13 with 17. and I get that my diameter is 5.41.